Hi guys, it's your girl VanessaK7 and I'm back with another one. I don't know if to give you guys off the shoulder vibes or one shoulder up vibe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a transformation video, so I guess I'm just giving you guys some looks and stuff. I know I have a spot right there. And Yvonne Victoria's YouTube, lovely gorgeous chocolate girl, and she has really natural brows and she says she's been trying to, you know, do it natural and stuff like that. I was like, okay, it's not to say my eyebrows, I think I do them pretty natural anyway, but I think I want to do them more natural. Alright, I'm gonna pencil just a little bit, but I am gonna keep it natural. Yeah, I'm one of those girls that have those eyebrow shapes that are like thick there and then go small there. I find that shape so hard to follow. Like, you really have to be careful following them sort of eyebrow shapes because it can go so wrong so quickly. Guys, I've been thinking, and do you know what I really want to do for you guys? I really want to, you know, I'm the nose contour girl. I really want to, this is going to be a big thing for me, but basically I really want to a makeup look where I don't contour my nose at all, like a natural glam with no nose contour for the first time in a long time. I have not done a makeup look where I haven't contoured my nose. Like, I try to look through my videos and find them, but I can't find not one makeup look I've done without contouring my nose. So comment down below if you'd like to see that, a natural glam with no nose contour whatsoever. We'll see what the likes is like, we'll see what the comments is like. Ooh. Guys, I am addicted to the Scott Barnes method. I don't think anyone understands how much that method changed my life. I don't want to use too much foundation because we are in quarantine and I don't want to be wasting products. Okay. This face with just one pump of foundation, and I ain't joking, one pump of foundation, that's all it took. Go in with my Fenty blush. I feel like more, not more is less. I agree with less is more, but I feel like only use what you need to. And I won't say also minimal makeup is everything, but I feel like if you take care of your skin underneath, then you'd have to wear less makeup. Do you know what I mean? Right, so this palette I ordered from Beauty Bay. I get a lot of makeup from Beauty Bay because it comes in literally 3 days. Right, something I've never done before. I normally use light pinks on my eyelids, but this we're going to use it on my whole eye first, and then we're going to focus on using the darker pink on the actual eyelid. I feel like I'm like the YouTuber Kobe a little bit. She doesn't really, she does eyeshadow, but I feel like she sticks to what she kind of knows, sort of thing. But recently she's been venturing out into eyeshadow, so it's good, it's good. By the way guys, I feel a type of way about priming my lids before I use eyeshadow. I feel like black women should use the colours the way it shows up on their skin tone. I guess sometimes we use the concealer on top of our eyelids to bring out a glitter or bring out this, which is fine, but I don't think we should be having to prime our lids. I think the colour should show up on our skin tone as it is, so that's why I'm not priming my. Well, a semicircle, a semicolon, that's it. No, a semicircle. Beautiful pink here. Ooh, ciao, honey. You guys already should know by now that Wayne Goss is one of my YouTube inspirations for makeup. He is just the best, yeah. And I was watching one of his, I think, recent video about eyeshadow and tricks and tips with eyeshadow, and he said apply the eyeshadow to your eye shape because it's skill. It is skill. They should adjust to people, and that's why when people ask me, oh, you're a makeup artist, I'm like, no sir, I am not a makeup artist. It's purple with a precise brush, and just go with this brown here, and the reason why this brown will work is because it's like close to being a plum color. To ruin the look. I'm contemplating if I should wear lashes or not. I might just stick to mascara, guys. I might just stick to mascara. Strong in here. Blush from Revlon. It's beautiful, beautiful pink. Mauve pink, should I say. It's actually mauve pink. What do you guys think? A little much? Colour. But I don't think it's going well with this look at all. It's a beautiful lip colour, by the way. But what I would do is get a wipe, dab a bit off like this, just to simmer it down. Clear lip gloss. Definitely. Guys, this is how bold, this is how natural the lashes get. Okay, that's all I have. Do you know what, if I had some more natural lashes, I would love this look 10 times more. But this is as natural as it gets. You can still see the eyeshadow, but I prefer some more like down here lashes. Like, I'm trying to squash these down so that, you know, it doesn't hide the eyeshadow. You have to balance the makeup, you know. Dramatic eyeshadow and bold lashes sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. I feel like, yeah. What do you guys think? So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section of this look. Thank you for tuning in once again. VanessaK7 out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like these makeup transformation videos. It's just not too much, you know my channel consists of me talking and but I live for makeup. So if you want to see more transformation looks and more work with colour and easy looks for you to do, please do comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.